Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you guys and give you some motivation as I am going through the most transitional, uncomfortable, blissful, saddest, yet happiest, yet survivalist, if that's a word, time of my life. Sometimes in life we go through different phases that we may not understand. We may not know the reasoning for why we are going through that stage in our life. But the most beautiful thing that I am learning is that maybe it's not meant for us to understand it. Maybe we're meant to explore it. Maybe we're meant to experience it. Maybe we're meant for everything that happens to us to change who we are as an individual. I don't know the reasoning that I moved out of state on my own. I don't know the reasoning that I go through most of the things that I go through, but I know that it's helping me towards the person that I am becoming. If you're somebody out there that may not necessarily understand why you were chosen, the path that you are on, I can almost guarantee you it always works out. It always works out. It always leads you to the destiny that you're supposed to land in, that destiny that you're supposed to be in. And even when it doesn't feel like you're going to make it, I promise you, you will. We will. And that's one of the lessons that I'm learning right now, is that I don't know what the hell is happening, but I know that whatever is happening for my good, because I only put out goodness, so I can only get goodness back. Good morning, guys. Cat's out the bag, I'm moving. I know. Why would I leave this beautiful city? I know, that's what you're thinking. But I just have to. And I will tell you guys the details of exactly why and where I'm going and all that stuff. But the truth of the matter is, I'm not happy here. And y'all want to know what's crazy? I want to tell y'all right now. Please don't feel like by you moving out of state or going to the next place, you're going to just become who you're supposed to be overnight. It's not going to happen like that, okay? You will have to go through things and experiences to really find who you are. And I'm still finding out who I am, what I like, what I don't like. And I'm just finding out that I told y'all before, but I don't like Miami. I will visit, but I don't like it to live. Hey guys, just finished the whole day of cleaning and I'm about to go get my car washed because somebody's dog threw up in my car and I don't know whose dog it was. So we're about to go get a wash. We're about to go get a car wash. Hey again.
Did you get up where you need to?
Yeah, I forgot something.
Hilarious. Oh, I'm on it.
Is that for a camera?
Uh-huh.
Are you a vlogger?
No, I'm helping someone here. They do a fitness.
Oh, okay, recording.
So I'm filming a testimonial for them.
Oh, that's cool. Have a good day. So when I first came out, I had forgot my memory card for my camera, and he was on here, and now I ran into him again. Ironic. Who was that? Who was that? Who was that? Let's hope and pray that my car is still out here, because if you request your car from valet and it's still down here for 15 minutes, they will take it back. So I don't feel like waiting, and I got an appointment for my car wash, so hopefully, yeah, they didn't take it back. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm getting a car wash. Oh shit, I gotta take those back. I might do that today. If you look over there, somebody's freaking dog threw up in my car. So I don't need my car to be dirty because I got guests coming over very soon. Very soon. And when I mean soon, I mean on Tuesday. I don't know why I be trying to be rapping, but I know I'm not trapping, and I know that I know what I'm talking about. And if you don't know what you're talking about, then don't you come. What am I talking about? 14 minutes. It's 2:41. I gotta be there by 3 o'clock, and it's 14 minutes away. I'm gonna get there at 2:55. Do we think we can do this? I think we can do this. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna listen to music while I'm driving. So yeah, let me get it together. Alright guys, I am in Midtown. We all know I love a Midtown. I'm about to get some food because, tell me why, I should have vlogged this part, but I took my car to the place that I had. Ah! Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my god, oh my god. Tell me why it's a rinky dink car wash. So I'm asking the man, I'm like, y'all gonna wash my car here? And he said they are. Anyways, I'm about to get food because I gotta go back at 5. Y'all, it's only 3:39. Oh, it's 3:41 and I gotta go back. So also my friend Andre said he wanted to go to Bayside today, so I guess we're gonna go to Bayside later. I'm gonna just take my mask off because I want you guys to see me. Where's 100 mojitos? So cute! Oh my god! Oh shit! I got the wrong plate. Somebody told me. Okay, love you too. Alright. So I'm waiting for my food right now, guys. It's hot as fuck. This is why I don't come out in Miami. It's hot. I'm black, so my hair is gonna frizz. I'm sorry, my edges, because my hair don't really frizz. My edges be frizzing. Got my food. These birds are not really birds. Okay, these. Oh shit! They say that I touched somebody. These birds are not birds. They are like something else. I'm excited to eat. Look at all these kids out here. It's just way too many damn kids for me. So I'm about to eat a bagel, guys, because I have a meeting. I have a meeting in a little bit. Look how I burnt my bagel. It may not be burnt to y'all, this is burnt to me. But I wanted to talk to you guys. I am moving. I'm leaving Miami. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going or none of that. Okay guys, so this is crazy. I just received my move out package notice from my building. Remind you, to move out you have to pay 2 months rent. Well, it's really like 4 months. So basically I paid November, I'm about to pay December, and then I'll have to pay 2 months rent to move out as a penalty. Y'all, the total amount that it says on my move out package, $9,000. I'm not paying $9,000 because, for one, my experience in this building it has not been all that is cracked up to be. Like, for the amount that I pay for rent, the stuff that this building has and does not have is not worth it. So I went to my apartment and I was just like, I'm not gonna do this because my experience here has not been great. I gotta go get boxes. I don't know how many boxes I need, but I'm just gonna get hella. And yeah, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And the type of person that I am, like, I don't care. Like, if something doesn't make me happy and something is not worth it, shit, I'm out. Flows up, can't see the night shift load up. She wanna see it till it got shit sold up. You know they sick of you. Wait a minute, hold up. Y'all, my life is just as entertaining to y'all, my life is just as entertaining. Because I know y'all probably watch me like, girl, what are you doing, girl? I know it's crazy, but like, I'm just as entertained. I'm just as shocked. I'm just as like, what the fuck is going on? Found them. Good thing about it is I do not have a lot of stuff. And I could get large boxes because, let's see, I have my clothes. I gotta figure this out. Okay. This is a big box. I don't know if I'm gonna go with it. I really like this set because, I mean, not this set, but I like this because it's for like dishes. So I might get this. Wow, a lot of people are moving. So yeah, let me just buy these and go to Home Depot. Hopefully it's cheaper stuff over there. And this is $7.97 for boxes that people recycle all the time. All right, I'm gonna just get this. Okay, I'm gonna get this, and I'm gonna be on my way. Yeah, I'm about to go to Home Depot and get the rest of the boxes. I got 2 boxes and I got some other stuff. I got a hair appointment tomorrow. This is actually much cheaper than Walmart. Literally, they are, hold on, 84 cents for like a small box. There's only one left. And then for the medium boxes, it is, for the medium boxes, it's like $1 and some change. I'm sure I have more than enough boxes. I have this for my mirrors, and I got the little couch cover. So I feel like I'm pretty set for everything I need. And yeah. Okay, let me try to explain. So I gave my dog away because I just felt like she deserved more. Every single time I decided to keep her, I'll always feel bad. And so I gave her away because I felt like she deserved that. She deserved a loving family. And I don't know, maybe because I questioned why I moved to Miami, you know? I really questioned myself why I moved here a lot. But maybe, just maybe, it was really to find Bailey a forever home. I don't really have anything to say. I just kind of want them to get the rest of her stuff because she still has her cage and her full bowl here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am packing most of my stuff because somebody just came in my room, a stranger. I don't know who this stranger is. Anyways, guys, so today I am packing up most of my apartment because, well, you guys know why. I'm gonna pack up everything that I can. Of course, I still have to live here for like a few more weeks, so I can't pack up everything, but we're gonna do what we can do. And another thing that I'm doing today is I'm feeding the homeless, which I'm so excited for because I feel like it just reminds me of when my grandma was alive, and like even when she didn't have it, she will always make sure she gave back to people. Like this lady would literally make like so many sweet potato pies every single Thanksgiving, and she would give it out to everybody. And she didn't even have that much money to go and buy these sweet potato pies, but like she still just did it, and she stretched like the whatever she needed. And it's just like, I want to make it a habit to give back to somebody, family, friend, homeless people, neighbor, whatever, every single chance I get. And so I have some leftovers and whatever I don't eat today, because of course I want to make sure I, you know, feed myself. I'm gonna take it to the homeless people because there's so many around here. And yeah, I want to leave Miami on a good note. Although I didn't have the best time here, I still got to see it, I got to experience it, and I have to be grateful for that. So I already have these boxes. I basically packed my entire room, my closet. Let me show you guys. Basically empty. I just have these 2 dresses, and I have my jackets, and that's literally all packed. And I have my kitchen is basically packed, but like I said, I have to make sure I don't pack everything because I still gotta live here. And on Tuesday we're going to Barbie Honey, so I'm gonna vlog that. Yeah guys, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but this is basically the ending of it. Everything is kind of happening so crazily, and I know I'm not doing the best with vlogging right now. Sorry about that. I will get better. It's just that so much is going on in my life. I'm trying to figure so much out. I'm doing the best that I can, but I know that I can do better, and I will do better with my vlogging. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff, and I will be back. Bye guys.